Yaka yo, we're outside again. City boy them there. But yeah, man, how is everybody? I hope everybody's good. And yeah, today, I'm just gonna have a little chat about riding at night. Let's talk about it, man. So yeah, man, riding at night, it's nice as in the views, but in another sense, like, I don't know, man, I feel like it kind of makes me feel a bit anxious certain times, and I'll tell you why. So when you're riding at night, yeah, when people see you on a sports bike, yeah, people ultimately, for some reason, think that you're on some racing thing. And I feel like at night time, especially like Friday and Saturday night, that's when all the madman them come out on the road. Yeah, all the crazy folk come out on the road in the night time. That's what I feel personally. You get me? And I'm telling you that, mate, there's been times, yeah, I'm riding and I look in my mirror, I can't even really see who's behind me. Is it the boy them or whatever? But you just see the lights just moving up to you fast. And it's almost like you're having to match the pace just to keep out of the way. You get me? You don't even know who it is. You know what I mean? But, yeah. And sometimes, depending on your helmet, your vision can be a bit mad as well. So like right now, my helmet, I need to change my helmet, man. So every now and again, yeah, when I stop, my helmet keeps steaming up and all kind of craziness, yeah. And yeah, it's an issue, especially at night. You get me? But apart from that, I don't think it's too bad. Yeah, we're gonna have to, yeah. You know what the maddest thing is, yeah? I can't remember when last I've drove up these drove all road actually, up these ends at this time. You get me? And it's still blasted busy. Still busy at these times. But yeah, riding at night, man, this is where all the mad folk, this is where they all come out. Like, I don't even know if it's even safe be coming over these ways right about now at night. You get me? And only because of the way people drive. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're out here. You get me? So yeah, we're just taking a little circle to see what's cracking. I mean, really and truly, I should have just went filter and that. Sometimes I forget, you know, because you know what? A lot of the times I'm in my car and I get on the bike and I'm in flipping car mode, just waiting behind cars and that. Get me? But not only that, sometimes it's like I'll filter when it's that time to filter. You get what I'm saying? Cause some drivers don't like you filtering, you know, I'll tell you the truth. Start moving weird with you. Start trying to close the gaps and that. Ah dear. Where's them police gone? But yeah, guys, how do you guys feel about the nighttime riding? What I would say as well is, obviously, see, like these street lights and stuff, it's actually not too bad as well when it's like this, but I could only imagine riding down some A roads in the pitch black. That must be crazy. So I have to mind myself around here, man. But yeah, that must be crazy, man, in the pitch black A roads. Yeah, I don't think I'm on that stuff. I'll tell you the truth, man. Definitely not. Because you'll be moving and you don't even know what's about to step out. You don't know what the road looks like on the floor. Like, yeah, man, dangerous, man. Dangerous. Am I seeing blue lights? Not blue lights. The police coming for me. No. But yeah, man, what do you think, guys? What's your experience? How do you feel about riding at night as opposed to riding in the day? What's the challenges? How does it make you feel? How do you feel? But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys. But don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.